If you're a solar electrical business and you're spending any money on ads, what I'm about to show you is extremely important in the interest of your sales cycle and improving conversions. It's no secret that building a website isn't going to guarantee you generate more work. That is definitely a marketing conversation. However, if you have a large ticket product such as solar renovations or anything for that matter, what you can absolutely guarantee is that your potential customers, once they have an initial point of contact with you, which sometimes might be an ad or a referral or whatever, could even be them seeing a vehicle drive down the street with your branding on it, you can pretty much guarantee that they're going to do some research on you. So if that potential customer lands on an asset which isn't a true reflection of the business that you are and the type of business that they want to be doing work with, then you're a click away from somebody else that is going to tick that box. So it is important in the ecosystem of marketing that you do have a website that is built in a way that can position you as the expert, and it can build confidence, trust, and rapport within the people that are potentially going to engage you for your services. This is a case study of an exact example of that with a customer that we're working with down in Melbourne. They're a very well-established solar business. However, recently they've gone back into the cold marketing space, and we're helping them generate some leads and conversations and close jobs within that landscape. But what we need to make sure is that the website reflects the caliber of business. Now, what you can see here is their existing website. And as you can see, it's not great. It's pretty clip-arty and it's pretty old, and it's missing a lot of things on there, including, service pages and things like that. Almost impossible to optimize. What we've done is rebuilt it. Now, we've got their ads up and running. They're generating conversations, but we want to make sure that this website is a true reflection of the business that they are. And we want to be able to communicate looking forward the type of work we do, where we do it, how we do it, and who we do it for. So the customers, right? So we've broken all the services here into different pages. They've all been optimized for search. Great. That's kind of a serendipity, truthfully, at the moment. Looking forward, we will be doing SEO and things like that on this website, but at the moment, it's not really that important. We just want to make sure that when somebody clicks on an ad, they can go somewhere and they can visually see content and examples of projects and things like that that they've done to help them along that buying cycle. So if you are a solar-based business, or if you're in any type of trade business and this conversation resonates with you, what you've seen here, if you think that you're either a maybe or a definite in the space of needing to improve this ecosystem, hit us up. Links are in the description there. And the first thing we'll do is a strategy session, which we call our impact roadmap session. That session is amazingly good. It basically lays out your entire roadmap of things that we need to do, the milestones in order to help you get to where you want to go. And it's a huge success. So I look forward to chatting to you in one of those sessions. I hope this was useful to you. Go get them.